The most comfort winter meal in Japan is probably nabimono, a variety of hot pot dishes where a colorful blend of ingredients are cooked in simmering broth at the table for everyone to share. This is a perfect get-together home cooking experience. This evening my friends cooked me a seasonal seafood nabe with soy milk. The soup was based on miso paste that my friends cooked themselves. And when you add soy milk, the taste becomes smoother. Nabe is traditionally meat-based. However, because you choose the ingredients to stew, it can be tailored to any diet.
It's bitter, spicy and fruity at the same time and has sea flavor. I really like it. Oh, she does. Okay, shiitake is amazing. And I have very horny looking kaki. This is insane. Very strong flavor of sea. And I actually have never bought tofu like this. And after today, I will buy it every time. And I like the milk inside. And it's curdled a little bit. Like there is a curd in it. You could make tofu from it. There is a lot of oil right now after that comes from leaked from the salmon, I guess. So it's a very hearty meal. Very good fuyu meal for winter. So my first ever home nabe is spectacular. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Welcome.
And the polishing treat at the very end is a risotto cooked in remaining luscious nabe broth.